Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY. First, we're going to be making a pair of Glam frosted pedestal candle holders. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need two of these candle holders, and it can really be any shape that you like. I'm using this more of like a tulip shape, but you can use whatever shape you like. So you need two of those. You'll need two of these candle stick holders. And you're going to need two of these tea light holders, and they come in a pack of two. I have got two different kinds of glitter here. I've got some iridescent glitter, and then I also have some silver glitter. I may or may not be using the silver glitter. We'll see as we go along. I have some masking tape, got a paintbrush, I have got some hot glue, and I've got a pair of scissors. Now, if you want to make this project permanent, you can use E6000 instead. Also, I have both peel and stick gemstones, and also I have peel and stick diamond wrap. And so I will be using both of those on this project. Now, the peel and stick gemstones I purchased at Walmart, but you can find them at some Dollar Tree locations on a half sheet size. But these are the items that we'll need to get this project completed, so let's get started. So now I'm going to go ahead and tape off the area that I don't want to get any of the Mod Podge on. And I did fail to mention that I'm going to be using Mod Podge to adhere the glitter, so you'll need some Mod Podge. So I did fail to mention that in the beginning, but you'll need that. And so I'm just going to tape off the area on here that I do not want to get any of the glitter on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paint on Mod Podge all over the glass where I want the frosted effect. So now I'm just going to add some diamond wrap. Now that I have these two done, I'm going to go ahead and put them over here, and then I'm going to start embellishing my candlestick holder. And this is something that you can leave plain if you'd like, or you can embellish it as much as you'd like. It's up to you. There's no right or wrong. And so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of this peel and stick diamond wrap to the neck, the very neck of this. So now I think I'm going to add a large gemstone to just the front of this, just to embellish it a little bit further. And these are beautiful just as they are, you guys. If you just wanted to make a pair of low votives like this, they would be gorgeous. And if you want to add the pedestals to them like I'm going to do, let's just go ahead and put these out of the way. Okay, and now they're done. Again, you can keep them just as low votive holders, or you can add them to the pedestals like this, and aren't they gorgeous? Just beautiful and frosty and glammy. And let's go ahead and get started decorating with them.